very important to have metrics with the experimenting. Just doing experimenting without taking notes, how did it go, what it affected, is not useful. But when you're experimenting with metrics, you can find new things and you can develop your startup much smarter.
Experimenting when you are doing a startup is part of it comes with the turf, it's part of the process. Even if you have been in the same industry where you're trying to break into for tens of years, 20 years, 30 years, whatever it is, even if you're considered an expert in your industry, the opportunity you are pursuing with the team you're pursuing is totally new and unproven, and it still has to be tested in the market. This requires experimentation, because by definition you might be doing something different. Maybe it's faster, maybe it's newer, maybe it's cheaper, maybe it gives better access to your customers from alternate solutions that are currently out there in the market. By definition, you have to experiment with the solution, because indeed, if you are satisfying a need or solving a problem for your customer, you have to do this through co-development that is driven by experimentation.
Right, so modern entrepreneurship is about experimentation, and actually the newest strategies, the lean startup model. Now there's an interesting one called nail it and scale it model. These depend on treating entrepreneurship a bit more like a science, which is experimentation, hypothesis making, experimenting, testing, and then learning and redoing it. So it is much more scientific today, in the sense that you create hypotheses about who your customers are, who your partners are, what your value proposition is, and then you go out and test that, and then you learn from it and replay it.